be showing you how to organize your assignments in Excel. This is a perfect life hack, especially if you're in college and you want to be able to track your assignments in a spreadsheet. This is the perfect way to do it, so stay tuned and I'm going to walk you step by step onto how to make an Excel spreadsheet with your assignments.
The first step is going to be to add your headings. So for mine, I chose assignment, class, due date, and completed. Your next step is to select the cell underneath your first header and go ahead and enter in your assignments. So for this example, you can see I chose paper 1, paper 2, and paper 3. Next step, you're going to go ahead and add the class section or name that associated with that assignment. And a quick little tip there, if you go ahead and click the little arrow, you can drag down to make it easier and faster on yourself. Next, you're going to add in the due date of each assignment. This is just the date format that Excel chooses, but you can change that in your settings if you prefer. After that, you're going to select all of the assignments all the way over to the completed for that class and go to your fill bucket and select a color for that class. After this, you're going to go ahead and enter in all the rest of your assignments, due dates, and classes, and do the same steps as before where you fill the bucket associated with each class color. Next, you're going to go ahead and select all of your cells that you have entered in data to, including the headers. You're going to go over to the sort and filter button and select custom sort, where you can see that your headers will pop up there, and you're going to want to select due date and click OK. So now your assignments are going to be organized by the date they are due. So you can easily see what order your assignments are due and when they need to be completed. And once you go ahead and complete that assignment, you can go ahead and fill in that cell with whatever you would like. You can see I enter in yes, done, finished. Typically, I just add a Y in mine.
All right, and that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed that tutorial, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to get future college tips and tricks.